Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the disappearing hover effect drop-down menu on your Shopify store. You can follow along using the link to Shopify provided in the description below. So, let's get started. Each theme has different coding, and even different theme versions have variations. Finding a solution that works universally is challenging, but I've discovered a clever workaround for this issue that will save you from needing any additional apps or complex coding. Just a few simple lines of code will do the trick. First, access your Shopify dashboard. Then, go to Online Store on the left-hand menu and click on the three dots next to Customize to choose Edit Code. Once in the code editor, open the Assets folder at the bottom of the page and look for base.css or theme.css. Most themes use base.css now. Scroll to the very bottom of the file, add a new blank line, and go to the description box where I've provided a link to the code. Select this short 3-line code, right-click Copy, then paste it into the bottom of your CSS file. You'll notice a line with 30px in it. We'll revisit that in a moment. After pasting the code, hit Save to apply the changes. Now head back to your Shopify store, refresh the page, and check if the drop-down menu stays open as you hover over it. This fix closes the gap between the menu and the drop-down, so you don't accidentally lose the menu as you scroll down. If you'd like, you can adjust the number from 30px to, say, 40px to fine-tune the placement of the drop-down. After changing it, save the file and refresh the store to see the updated menu position, and there you have it. This workaround will resolve the drop-down disappearing issue on every Shopify theme. Don't forget to try it yourself using the link to Shopify provided in the description below.